kwa baby me Adom TV Badwam health tips near day abroad joda de kosi fiada 5 minutes yenche kura because your person opomode hu ya munti 5 minutes yenche wo ye adwuma kura siesie nkra no ho a obetimi so etie na wakoso atie bedu Friday no so wonya full topic wati mu ase Adaroma doctors nso omo number say na omo de maye nti bi kire wadwen a ofra omo ebejo so mame 9 point ase Kobe Kwate Clinic na Daroma na minya kwan ni team no ye kọ ne akoye interview si ne de aba wa pomudi mu nti kono ne nya adwuma say ye stroke a omo ye admission wo stroke patient o ma me o papa bia ye nkọ endpoint o mbe gina hwe ne kama wa bo nso wo de ne koye ne wo de ne ba no difference no clear and wachi prostate or body bra no check him mount ba ma bia wo prostate ye nkọ endpoint ho no check 0244867068 0244867068 miguso ati adwam me Dr. Emmanuel Jima Mankwa oye general surgeon wo Rage Medical Center ena na wochi edi enkomo nura obodi nyina atofa de mai ne ye hwe courses prostate cancer the organization mu akwaba nti den ne causes prostate cancer.
Okay, so said na usually cancers no we don't know the causes per se, but your different risk factors. So risk factors na ye beka ho asem. So one risk factor no so you African and as African American. And no a disease who say amongst such risks. No. So who will be African American? That means so risks of getting the disease I was true. I feel so the friend aging say so young family say the older you are getting from age 40 going on the average from 55 air corner risks now they are significantly high because our cancer no they are very slow growing kakra answer na achre ne ho afi so say wobusiamu mo bibi a ye friend no breast cancer so young family say o sister o auntie o mami anya breast cancer and our dear friend ovarian cancer. Muni na mo betimi ede eno ni na chere say you are also at risk of getting it. Say one cancer so o uncle o father o brother anya prostate cancer. Chere say also you are at increased risk of getting prostate cancer. I feel so some other things be honoma your friend no modifiable risk factors and no betimi asesam. So your fan say smoking is a risk factor betimi anya prostate cancer, and also we do a lot of fatty diets so and also risks of prostate cancer na again friends was true and I other things so a bit reduce risks. So a lot of research actually say bema or ejaculate baby no the risk factor na again form. Yes. So a lot of studies across who say bema or ejaculate baby either say only
because ejaculation no ye dey
just say maybe only obeshia ho asane.
Okay.
So the more ho asane more no or risks of prostate cancer no form.
Some kind of say member person me check kura o nti na say do be use machine no.
So I know actually it brings down the risk factor and so many research has gone into it say the more we engage in any sex, safe sex, young can use safe sex.
Yes,
and no risk factor for prostate cancer.
Okay, and then so number no.
Yes, so your Rage Medical Center, your number is 059 161 3081.
Okay, so this should be.
Yes, so 059 161 3081. And yes, also this month, and the month, but prostate scanning and the friend with PAC test, and also your so discounts from 20% to about 30%.
Okay.
Oba, you bet me I am.
Okay, yeah, that's it. Dr. Emmanuel Jima Mankwa na wote in Rage Medical Center, ofrena prostate nkomwe obeboa fasedama endpoint Kobe Kwate Clinic. We are rimkwa ofrena obejo so trimechanical endpoint na on check your prostate no emma the number is 0244 867068 0244 867068 on check it and famount and fantana homa cancer enyimu ansa mede afia amankwa atama klochena enkwa hoden wo ho a kan ho na ehia